Hey Andy, check out this thing I got in the post today. It's a I won this for 10 quid on an eBay auction. I'm sure you know all about it. I just thought it was cool to have as a restoration project. It's got long wave, medium wave, short wave. I have no idea what TB is. I'm sure you know, and we'll be talking about it. Came in pretty good. It looks good. I mean, I will restore this eventually. Good winter project. Speaker's intact. I'm surprised you didn't use a field coil back in the 50s. That's kind of cool. There's your antenna. All the tubes, the valves are intact. I'm gonna keep it 220 volts. I've got a step-up transformer that this thing will run on. All these caps need to be replaced. Of course, I'm going to leave them on. I'm going to leave them on the chassis as relics of their time. Looking at the bottom. A lot of nice original stuff in here. Nobody's been in messing with it. All the caps, all the original caps, paper wound, waxy garbage. This guy here, I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna leave it in there with this. It's got a date on it. So there's my project for the winter. Very nice. Talk to you soon.